So yeah, factoring is the reverse of distribution, and factoring is so fun. Factoring by grouping. The largest common factor is sometimes a binomial, which we saw in that last problem, right, of 6.1. Also, in order to identify a common binomial factor, we must regroup into two terms of 2 terms each. Yeah, that was like what we saw, 2 terms of 2 terms each. That's what we saw in that last one, right? Was it b minus 4, and what was the other one? Yeah, that's what we saw in that last problem, right? So that's 2 binomials being added together. It's 4 terms total. I mean, in separately, but technically you could say that this is 1 term all by itself, okay? But this is kind of how we're going to expect our answers to look like when we start to factor by grouping. So just like that last problem that we saw in 6.1, right here in this one, I see this x minus 4 in this term, and then we also have the same x minus 4 in this term. Boom, that means I can factor that out. Okay, so I'm going to pull it out, x minus 4. And then what do I have left on the inside here? Well, the first term there had a 2 that was left over, so it stays. And then the second term there was a positive 3y. So I bring that down, positive 3y. All right? That's all we're going for on this. Now, like I said before, it'll take a little bit of work. If they give us a quadratic or a trinomial, really, then it may take a little bit of work to get to this point, but we can get there.